Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an incredible miracle weight loss recipe that will not only help you shed those extra pounds but also boost your overall health and energy levels. Are you ready to transform your life? Let's get started. The power of nature. Camera zooms in on various fresh fruits and vegetables. Our miracle weight loss recipe harnesses the power of nature. We believe that natural, whole foods are the key to a healthy and sustainable weight loss journey. Let's take a look at the ingredients that will work wonders for your body. We have a mix of nutrient-packed fruits like berries, citrus fruits, and a handful of leafy greens for added vitamins and minerals. Together, these ingredients will help cleanse your system, boost your metabolism, and provide essential nutrients to support your body during the weight loss process. The Miracle Weight Loss Smoothie. Now that we have our powerhouse ingredients, let's blend them together to create our Miracle Weight Loss Smoothie. Start with a handful of fresh spinach or kale, add a cup of mixed berries, half an avocado for creaminess and healthy fats, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next, we'll add some almond milk to give our smoothie a creamy texture, without any extra calories. The secret ingredient. Here comes the secret ingredient that makes our miracle weight loss recipe truly magical: a teaspoon of organic matcha powder. Matcha is rich in antioxidants and has been known to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Savor the flavor. Camera shows the host pouring the smoothie into a glass. Our miracle weight loss smoothie is ready. Now, let's savor the flavor and enjoy the goodness of nature in every sip. This is so delicious and refreshing. You can customize the sweetness by adding a drizzle of honey or a few drops of stevia if you prefer. Transforming lives. Camera shows a montage of before and after pictures of people who have tried the recipe. Thousands of people have tried our miracle weight loss recipe and have seen amazing results. But remember, weight loss is not just about the recipe. It's a journey that requires commitment, exercise, and a balanced diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us today and for taking a step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this miracle weight loss recipe with your friends and family. Let's help each other transform our lives and embrace the power of nature's goodness. See you next time with more exciting recipes and tips for a vibrant, healthy life. Stay blessed and stay healthy.